Alright, let's talk smart glasses. Xiaomi AI Smart Glasses versus Ray-Ban Meta Glasses. Two very different takes on what smart eyewear should look and feel like. While both pack in some clever tech, they take very different paths. Xiaomi leans into features and functionality, while Ray-Ban keeps things stylish and social friendly. Let's start with the lenses. Xiaomi opted for electrochromic lenses, which darken in just 0.2 seconds and clear up just as quickly. They can be adjusted from transparent to shaded through touch controls, offering a subtle yet transformative experience. These glasses also support prescription lenses, but the electrochromic models come at a premium. On the other hand, Ray-Ban Meta Glasses keep it classic with standard sunglass or transition lenses. These adjust automatically based on weather conditions, maintaining the timeless Ray-Ban look while supporting prescriptions. Neither the Xiaomi AI Smart Glasses nor the Ray-Ban Meta Glasses feature a full transparent heads-up display or augmented reality AR overlay. So far, we know Meta is working on a monocular display that offers a basic form of AR, but there's still no information about any AR glasses from Xiaomi. In terms of battery life, Xiaomi excels with up to 8.6 hours of regular use and 45 minutes of continuous 2K video recording. Ray-Bans offer about 4 hours on their own, but come with a charging case for convenient top-ups throughout the day. Camera-wise, both glasses come with 12 megapixel ultra-wide cameras, but Xiaomi gives you more flexibility. You get up to 45 minutes of continuous recording at 2K resolution and 30 FPS. For live streaming, mainly on Chinese platforms, the resolution drops to 720p, and you can stream for around 30 to 40 minutes on a single charge. Ray-Ban Meta Glasses shoot at 1440 by 1920 resolution at 30 FPS, but they're limited to shorter clips, typically around 3 minutes each. For live streaming, there's no strict time limit, but expect around 30 minutes per charge, with quality dependent on your network conditions and lighting. Now let's get into the AI features. Xiaomi integrates with Xiao AI and brings some surprisingly advanced tools. Real-time translation in 10 plus languages, object recognition, scanning food for calorie info, even QR code payments with just a glance and a voice command. You can get meeting summaries too, it's built for utility. Ray-Ban Meta Glasses use Meta AI, which is more about convenience. Voice commands for messaging, calls, controlling music, and social media sharing. It's all smooth. Translation features are there too, but currently limited to a few languages like Spanish, French, and Italian into English. But payment, meeting transcription, and smart home control are not supported. Design-wise, they go in totally different directions. Xiaomi's design is minimal, clean, D-shaped frames, lightweight at about 40 grams, and optimized for comfort, especially for users with Asian facial contours. Ray-Bans stick to what they know. Styles like the Wayfarer and Skylar, they weigh a bit more, around 49 to 51 grams, but that's the trade-off for the signature look. These are glasses that blend in, not scream smart device. Both glasses come with open-ear speakers and 5 microphone setups, but Xiaomi adds a bone conduction mic for better voice pickup in noisy places and uses something called a reverse sound field to keep your audio more private. Ray-Bans improve on their previous models' audio with better bass and overall clarity, which is great for calls or music without blocking out the world around you. As for pricing, Xiaomi starts around $280 in China, with premium options up to $420. Ray-Ban Meta Glasses range from $299 to $379, depending on the model and features. In conclusion, Xiaomi delivers utility with long battery life, adaptive lenses, and advanced AI tools, but availability outside China may be limited. Ray-Ban Meta Glasses prioritize familiarity, style, and functional ease, which fits your lifestyle better. The tech-forward Xiaomi or the polished Ray-Ban? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.